Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. This is the 1 hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and as we can see, the market is trading at 1724. This is the current market price of gold here. If you have watched my previous videos, then hopefully you made good profit yesterday, because we have been talking about the support of 1715 to 1717 for the last couple of days, and as per our expectation, market bounced yesterday from the 1715 1716 level, and we got the opportunity to make some good money. Okay, so let's try to find out what are the trading opportunities for the day. So first of all, I would like to mention one thing very well, that my dear friends, keep in mind, today we do not have any market driving event coming up for gold. But tomorrow FOMC statement coming up, so there will be huge volatility tomorrow in the market. So please be careful tomorrow. Today we can expect normal volatility in the market, and I think that market will be respecting the previous levels, because the main event, the big market driving event, is coming up tomorrow. Okay. Right now, the resistance levels that we have been talking are still intact. The most important resistance level is still the 1740 to 45, the red box here. So in case market gets volatile during the US session, if you see market reversing from this resistance zone, if you see that market is struggling near the resistance zone, definitely you can take a sell position. This is our first static resistance. On the other hand, if market breaks it, in case market shows extreme volatility during the US session, then the resistance zone of 1752 to 57 will be the next zone from where we can expect a reversal. Always get the confirmation first. If you want to take a sell position, always make sure that you have a proper confirmation. If you see a shooting star pattern, if you see a bearish engulfing pattern or bearish pin bar, then only take a sell position. After all, no level is permanent in the market, but as a retail trader, it is our responsibility to protect our hard-earned money. Never forget, confirmation is the insurance of traders. Okay, so this is the scenario in case market shows extreme volatility and market reverses from this resistance zone in the market. But one thing that I would like to mention here is that if you observe this particular portion of the market here, then we can see that though market looks sideways, listen to me carefully, though market looks sideways here, but market is unable to cross the previous highs. Market is forming lower highs in the market. Market is forming lower highs in the market. It means that somehow buyers in the market are slowly losing their strength. And on the other hand, market is also forming lower lows. It means that whenever market is coming down, okay, it is breaking the previous low, which signifies the increase in selling pressure. So this kind of scenario is dangerous for buyers. So yes, there is a possibility that when market will be coming down to the level of 1715 to 1716 today, market may break the level and market may go down as well, because market is constantly forming lower lows in the market, or in simple words, the selling pressure is increasing slowly in this market here. So my dear friends, if you see that market is standing at 1715 level, 1716 level today, do not take the buy position immediately. In my previous video, I have shown you with all the logic why we should be taking a buy position, but today I'm telling you that in the same level you should be careful. Once market hits this particular level here, observe today. Do not take the buy position blindly. Observe today and see how the market is reacting at the support. If you see that there is not much volatility in the market, yes, if there is not much volatility in the market, market is showing price rejection from below, market is forming hammer kind of patterns, then we can get the confirmation that okay, the level is still valid, level is still present, and then we can take a buy position in the market. But in case if you see that market is breaking 1715 level, do not be surprised, चौंकना नहीं है, because market is constantly forming lower lows and market is unable to cross the previous highs as well. So if market breaks 1712, yes, if market breaks 1712 level today or tomorrow, okay, especially tomorrow, not because today I do not see much volatility in the market. So if market breaks 1712 level with good amount of volume, it means if you see market breaking 1712 level with big fat red candle, you get the confirmation that yes, sellers are back in the game again, and you can take a sell position. So 1715 to 1716, which was a very important support till yesterday, will be a critical level because we may see market breaking this level as well. And right now you can see that market is following a downward channel here. So if you're planning to take a sell position, okay, if you're planning to take a sell position at the trend line here, then you can take a sell position. But personally, I will not suggest anyone to take any position right now. After all, capital protection should be the first priority of any traders. And as I always say, do not trade in the middle, and we should only trade when the opportunity is right. Personally, I think that this is not the right opportunity. I'll wait for a better opportunity in the market. Okay, so if you want to take any position, that's your personal strategy, that's your personal call. But personally, beginners, new traders, never enter in the middle. Protect your hard-earned money, protect your capital, and be a trader, not a gambler. Bye bye, take care.